welcome friends to Dynamics Tutorials, and in this Photoshop tutorial I am going to show you a creative Photoshop manipulation. So in this tutorial I am using these two pictures, clone stamp tool and also some mask tricks. So how are we going to do this? For that, let's get straight into the video. So I have already opened both the pictures here. So first I am going to do is copy this layer and paste it above the eye picture. So I am converting this layer into a smart object so that when I transform it, it won't get pixelated. So try to set according to your eyeball if you are creating this kind of manipulation. So first I am making a rough selection using quick selection tool. You can use color range or any selection tool. So after making the rough selection, here I am masking this flower. Now all you have to do is place this flower image according to the eyeball. And mask the flower petals here just to give this a look that flower is under the eyelid. So after that I am duplicating this flower layer and unhiding the water part. Now you can change its blending mode according to your picture. After choosing the correct blending mode, here I am hiding both the layers just to clone this eyeball by using clone stamp tool. You can change its size or even hardness just to give this picture a more real look. So after cloning the eyeball or the extra part from the picture, here I am unhiding both the flower layers. So here I am masking some more part just to give this picture a shadow effect. You can use black color brush or even blending mode to do so. I am giving this picture a photo filter just to blend all the layers together. You can also change its brightness or contrast, or even you can use color lookup. So I am overlaying a black solid here just to give this picture a more depth. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like this video and also smash the subscribe button.